Hey, what's up guys? So once again, this is a Artika shower caddy model U7. Got it at Costco last time for a little under $30. So we'll be buying those Ross ones, stainless steel supposedly, and after a few months it gets all rusted. This one's stainless steel as well. Let's see if it lasts. See, it has adjustable stainless steel tray and mirror. Fits on most shower heads and doors. So you get an idea. It comes with a little mirror. It's pretty good. Little tray right there for the toothbrushes and to hang the razors. Plastic tray on the bottom for the soap bars. And these adjust up and down, and I think left and right as well. Now let's go ahead and turn the box around. That's the front of the box, or the back, since it has a barcode right there, so you get an idea. It's dimensions for those that are curious and want to know. Here you go, removable soap and dish tray. A Q cup with a razor holder. Wall anchor with a removable. So let's go ahead and box this baby up. Let's see what comes inside. Let's go ahead and I already opened the four sides. Let's go ahead and lift it. Warning: aviso, mirror cleaning, do not use ammonia based on cleaning agent. Limpieza del espejo, no use agentes de limpieza con amoniático. Artika. So manual right there, instructions. So it comes with the suction cups right here, and this little hardware and the tray. This is the tray for the razor and the toothbrush. So there you go, there you have it. You lift this, and it slides up and down. I need both hands. I don't know if it slides on the sides, left and right, I don't know, but I will let you know. See, it goes right there. So, I think it does. Hold on. No, it doesn't slide left and right because here has the metal right there from the frame. This side too, so it won't let it go left and right, just up and down. So let's see how long this lasts without getting rusted. It has two trays right here, see? And notice it doesn't have any hooks here, like for the, what is it? The loofahs? The loofah. So there you have it. See the back of it. It looks pretty nice, man, for under $30. I'll take a video or a picture once I have it all set up. Right, guys, if you wanna hang this on top of that over there, make sure you remove that little rubber. I'm gonna show you that goes on that little loop right there in the middle. I'm gonna show you what you gotta do. It's already inserted in that little loop I showed you. So you just pull it down, has a screw, it opens. Now this is made out of rubber. Do not put it directly without this, because the loop that's on that caddy is made out of plastic and this is rubber. So if you don't put this on, it will slide off. So, and it's gonna be probably even break or make a mess, obviously. So make sure you take this off. I already put the rubber right there, that little ring. So now let's go ahead and put that thing on top. Caddy, inside of all this shower head right there, you gotta do is just push it down. Make sure it inserts properly. You get the idea. Let's see. Damn it. And there you have it. Because you put it without that rubber thing, it will slide off easily. So, because this is made out of plastic. So, push it back closer to the wall, and let's test it out, man. Toothbrush tray or the razor just sits like that. Back here, see what has these little things right there. I will show you. You get the suction cups. Insert them from bottom up. Push them up. Slide them up like this till it locks. So need both hands, hold on. And I'll get rid of this. This is if you hang it on the door, in the glass door. See? So do not throw these, keep them if you ain't gonna use them, because if you move or remodel your shower, you're probably gonna be needing these, so keep them. You guys, that's how it looks, already set up. Now for you, man, you want a good shower gel or the cologne. Sean John Unforgivable. It's a woman magnet on me. There you have it. Comments, like, subscribe, hit them up. Peace, and I'm out.